Sena has been at the forefront of Bluetooth innovation for the motorcycle industry for years and is breaking new ground seemingly every day. We have found some riders do not realize what a great product they have attached to their helmet. So far, it cannot teleport you to the future, but it can do a lot more than you may think. Besides the rider-passenger, rider-to-rider, phone music connection features, this new Momentum intelligent noise canceling helmet with 20S technology has more features to make your riding experience a better one. It starts with using the 20S technology, which has all the top-of-the-line Sena Bluetooth features. 4.1 Bluetooth, almost a time travel transfer rate compared to the past. 2.0 Bluetooth transfer rate is 2.5 megabits per second. 4.1 transfer rate is 25 megabits per second. Do the math. Audio multitasking allows you to listen to music and navigation while carrying on a conversation at the same time. The music navigation fades into the background at your audio level choice while you converse, then comes back to the top in just a couple of seconds when you stop talking. Intercom, rider to rider, over a mile in a line-of-sight conversation. 8-way intercom, up to 9 people can communicate via intercom, you and 8 other friends. Group intercom, maybe one of the best kept secrets. You can connect other headsets to a leader and save them into the leader's headset. Reconnect or disconnect by just saying group intercom. Ambient button. This button on the right side of the helmet allows you to hear outside audio, which brings us to the voice commands. They are totally hands-free with this helmet. Just speak and say, "Hello, Sena," and the voice prompt will say a command. With just your voice, some of the things you can say: check battery, speed dial 1, 2, or 3, redial, group intercom, intercom 1, end intercom, stereo music, start, pause music, next, go to the next track, previous, go to the previous track, FM radio, start the FM radio. Yeah, it's got a built-in FM radio. Lightweight for a helmet that has a communication system, 20-hour battery, noise canceling technology. This is a very light helmet at 1,750 grams. Intelligent noise canceling. No, this helmet does not block out all outside sounds like some people think. It can hear better noises that you need to hear, and it controls the noises you do not want to hear. Take a look at this chart. What I'm trying to achieve right now is like trying to advertise a 4K TV on your old 640 Revolution tube TV. Can't get there from here. I cannot really show you how this works unless you are actually wearing this helmet. Here is a little example of what I hear using my single mic in my left ear speaker area. This gives you an idea of just how quiet the outside noises are and how nice it makes the music experience. So let's just kick back, listen to a little nice soft music. Please understand you're listening to a microphone that's stuck in my right ear pod. It's not stereo, and you can only hear it that way because the pod keeps the sound going directly into my ears. In this short segment, I'm speaking to my friend Kurt in Limerick, Maine. When I accelerate onto the freeway, a couple of things are apparent. Kurt heard the noise of the acceleration, but it was really quiet inside the helmet. Note the speedometer just passing 100 miles an hour and still quiet inside the helmet. Kurt and I are still speaking. He only hears me now. I believe that's intelligent noise canceling in action. How cool is that?
And I bought it, and for an extremely reasonable price.
It's an 84?
And I wound up repairing the drive unit, the drive shaft, new controls, brake pads, carburetor air box, you name it, I have replaced it. Because it had been ridden and not taken care of. What the hell was that?
That's me! Can you hear that?
What? Yeah, I heard that.
Well, I just got on the freeway. 98 miles an hour.
Boy, I didn't know BMWs could go that fast.
Isn't that surprising? Sena has engineered this helmet from the ground up. And for the first time, riders will be able to hear their industry-leading technology the way it was meant to be heard. Momentum puts their top-of-the-line and proven 20S technology into a sleek and safe fiberglass shell. This state-of-the-art helmet was created with riders in mind and is pre-installed and ready to ride straight out of the box. Advanced noise control technology allows everything to come together completely. Let's look at the helmet itself, the shell. 5-year warranty, 2 years for the electronic parts, DOT and ECE approved, 750 grams with communication system, double shell composite fiberglass, multi-density EPS, making the helmet perfect for impact absorption and long lasting. EPS is the inner liner and the main part for impact absorption in a helmet. Screens have always been an issue with me, and this one is one of the easiest ever. Lift the screen, pull the trigger, release, it's out. Pull the trigger, release, insert tabs, and release trigger, it's in. Scratch resistant, UV resistant, the pin lock is included. Comfort, removable and washable, breathable, quick dry liner with laser cut foam. It has a chin cushion, a breath deflector, a nice neck roll, a top vent, a chin vent, and an exhaust port. There are ear pads inside. The helmet comes with pre-installed, a smaller set of extra ones included so you can find the perfect fit. Controls on the left side, the plus button, increase volume, track forward, scan radio stations, speed dial. The center button, answer in phone calls, reject incoming phone call, start in intercom conversation, play, pause music, enter voice configuration settings. The minus button, decrease volume, track back, FM radio on or off. Controls on the right side of the helmet, the INC button, intelligent noise control. This technology will protect your hearing while riding by reducing constant low-frequency sounds. Intelligent noise control technology will protect your hearing while riding by reducing constant low-frequency sounds, such as wind noise, and high-frequency sounds, such as face-to-face conversations, car horns, and emergency sirens can be heard more clearly. Press the INC button for 1 second to turn it on. Press the INC button for 1 second to turn it off.
INC off.
The ambient button. This button allows you to hear outside sounds. Press the ambient button for 1 second to turn it on.
Off.
Press the ambient button for 1 second to turn it off. Charging port. For charging the unit, firmware upgrades, charging time is 2.5 hours. Included with this helmet, the power data cable, helmet pouch, helmet stand, optional ear pads, and the pin lock. Now be sure and download the Sena Device Manager and be sure and download the Sena app. This will make using the unit much easier. What do I actually think? It is one of the quietest helmets I ever put on my head. It is of the highest quality and construction. It's comfortable, and all the moving parts move and click with authority. This helmet is worth every penny as a standalone helmet. Add the integrated Sena 20S into it and noise canceling, it's in a class by itself. Talk time is 20 hours. That's not a misprint, 20 hours. It has hands-free voice prompts, and here is a sizing chart which is also on our website on the Sena Momentum helmet page. Let's go for a little ride on Kathy's little hot rod, her F800R, with a Remus pipe and of course no fairing or windscreen, and see what you think. Hello, Sena.
Say a command.
FM radio.
FM on.
Okay, are you still there?
Yes.
Okay, well that was it, and again there's a lot of traffic. Hello, Sena.
Say a command.
FM radio.
FM on. 97.7.
Most of all, remember where you got all this information when you decide to purchase your new Momentum INC Intelligent Noise Canceling Helmet.